That's my wonderful husband wishing that I didn't park where I parked, but I did. He's a Jets fan, so he gets it. It's fine. Okay, so the first attempt didn't work out, so he's back out there trying to shovel some more. Keep you posted. Show must go on. Look at the mound. Stop sign. Whoa, we did. We were able to stop. That's good. The roads look pretty bad. Right, Richie?
Not so great.
No, they're terrible.
But I am up to 32 miles an hour.
Oh, okay.
Lowered the speed to 31.
Oh, it's 31. Okay, we're 31 miles per hour. And this is the scene at the radio station. It's empty, except for Shannon's truck, Jeff's car. Still snowing. Our office probably looks like yours today. No one's here. And it's dark. Shh. We could play cornhole. That's something to do on a snow day. Let's go into the studio. It's pretty empty in here too. Well, of course, I'm the only one supposed to be in here, but look, I got a note from Mr. Morning. Thank you, Mr. Morning. That's what he calls me. Linda A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Get it? That's his humor. And you can hear that every morning, 6 to 10 a.m. with Mr. Morning and Susie Garcia, only here at Kicks 105.5. So what do? We brave all those elements to come here to tell you to stay home. So you'd have to be crazy to go out on a day like this. Really crazy. So don't do it. We got crazy covered right here at Kicks 105.5. In fact, it's a whole training process. Thanks for tuning in.